All right, guys. So in this video, we are going to look at how we can actually come up with a nice business signage. Okay. So the first one I showed is how you can come up with a logo, 3D logo. So in this one, we are also going to work with 3D. All right. But this one is called signage, business signages. All right. So let's just start. So I will just bring in my images. So as usual, we have to remove the background. All right. So let's color this. So I will color it with gradients. So I'll just choose my color here. So let's say this. Okay. Same with this. I told you that when you are choosing your colors, try to make your colors to be uniform. Okay. Don't choose too many colors because it will be crowded and somehow professional. Just keep it simple and nice. All right. So we see our design is coming out nice because I chose the same colors. All right. So just keep it simple. So let's increase this a little bit. So I think this is okay, or we can place it here. No, let's keep it back here to look better like this. So let's try and bring in our image, or let's just put our text first. Okay, then the name of the initial we want to use. In this signage you also have to put your logo. So the difference between your signage and your logo 3D logo is that in your signage you have both your logo, you have your website address, you have your contact address, you have your IG handles, social media handles. Okay, so that is just the difference between your signages and your 3D logo. So your logo is just there, but in your signage you have both the logo and how people can actually reach your organization, okay, or the brand that you are working for. All right, so that is just the difference. So our initial for this logo is Becky with letter B. Okay, so let's just work with this. So let's change the fonts. Okay, so let's say this. So let's merge it so that it won't shift. So let's just merge it. So we need to put a color on this logo name and logo letter. Okay, so you come to your text. I want to use texture instead of using color, normal color. I will just use texture. All right. Okay, so let's choose our texture. So let's go for this. All right. Oh, does it look better? Let's check another one. See, come back here. Let's say this. Okay, I think this one looks better, right? Okay, so let's click OK. All right, so let's check our 3D test. Let's see how it will look like. Okay. Okay, we are good to go on this. Let's check our emboss. Let's see how it will look like. Okay, let's increase the intensity. See, our logo is coming out nice, right? Okay, so let's say okay here. We can bolden this text, you know. So you come to your style, okay? So you bold it. You see, it's coming out nice. So you click OK, right? So the next thing I want to do now is to place this image here. So let's see how it will look. Mm.